It's summertime and cleaning your pool is a lot of work. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the BRINBO C1 Robot Pool Cleaner. This BRINBO system right here, it cleans your pool for you. It even drives up the wall. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at this BRINBO C1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. It's also known as the BRINBO right here. Packaging on it looks fantastic. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this quick start guide. It's just going to give you all the information you need on setting it up, getting the app set up, and getting it started. Next up, we got this Dear Customer right here, and this is also your contact information, so if you have any issues, reach out to them. Then we've got our user manual, and this just helps you go into greater detail on all the things you can do with this awesome robotic pool cleaner. So, pretty important, read it. A nice little hook is included, so you can put this on the end of your pole right there and fish out the robotic pool cleaner. We've got our power brick right here, so plug this into the robot and charge it. And finally, the reason you're here, the BRINBO C1, the BRINBO. Look at this thing. This thing looks like a little battle tank, guys. Very, very cool. You'll be able to see the bottom is enclosed, and that's where it's sucking everything up at. We've got our charging port right here. Looks like this is the front of it, where you'll be able to kind of knock up all that dirt and suck it into the device. On the front, we've got our power button and all the options that you can select. And when you open the top of it, you'll see our little basket right here, which is going to catch all that debris and the leaves and stuff. So let's go ahead and drop it in the pool and try it out. This is the BRINBO C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. Advanced wall and step climbing. The BRINBO C1 features high traction tracks and 3-motor system, enabling stable climbing on walls, slopes, and steps for comprehensive pool coverage. Comprehensive pool coverage means it's engineered for automatic cleaning of pool floors, walls, water lines, and slopes, delivering structured and consistent cleaning performance in in-ground pools up to 1,615 square foot. With the dual-layer filtration system, it's equipped with a 180 pm filter screen combined with a 40 ppi fine filter sponge to capture both large debris and fine particles, improving overall filtration efficiency. Intelligent multi-mode operation. 7 selectable cleaning modes include Eco, Turbo, Floor, Wall, Waterline, Full Pool, and Floor then Wall, allowing customized cleaning based on pool conditions. And it's app-enabled smart control, so the BRINBO C1 connects via the app for cleaning mode selection, scheduling, and path planning. Multiple cleaning path options enhance coverage and operational efficiency. And it's got a huge battery, so it's got extended runtime performance. It's powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, providing up to 180 minutes of operation per cycle for medium to large residential pools. The BRINBO C1 is so powerful. It's just so awesome watching it climb the sides of your pool. It's just really cool tech. So we gotta say, BRINBO, wow, great job. This is our first time working with BRINBO, and I gotta say, this thing is incredible. As you know, we've reviewed tons of robot pool cleaners in the past, and this one is just so awesome. It cleans the bottom of your pool, it drives up the sides of your pool, it cleans your pool. So we want to give a huge shout out to BRINBO for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.